Okay, so I'm back in Catmon. The bus just dropped me off after coming for 2 hours from Cebu. Mr. Esso from the Hot Springs texted me last week and said the monkeys are totally friendly and totally harmless. I felt like a fool, but oh well, better be safe than sorry. So I'm going to go back up there, make friends with these little cuties, and also get to go to the hot springs. And it's so nice to be back in Catmon. It feels familiar. It kind of feels like home. Maybe I won't leave. I'm going to Esoy Hot Springs. No? No? Let's go, let's go. Yes, sir. Thank you, brother. Back on a motorbike here, going back up to the mountain. About 7K up the mountain with this professional here. He's awesome. He's taking me back up to Esoy Hot Springs. Round 2. Here we go. Back in the jungle. Awesome. Thank you so much for getting me up the hill safely. Back on this gorgeous, familiar trail. Look at this. How stunning. This time I'm really going to get down there to the hot springs. See, we're almost at that same spot where I saw them last week. Same gorgeous day. Yep. We sure are, because I don't think I came down this far. And I got my flip-flops on. Maybe not the best for running, but I don't feel like I'm gonna have to run today. We're gonna do this in one take. I'm definitely further down than I was. Be quiet there, you'll hear the gorgeous hot springs. Wow. Oh, really. This place is so heavenly. The jungle. Okay, so I made it in. So far I have not seen the monkeys, but the hot springs look so beautiful. So this is some of the natural hot springs. Hello. Going down that way. Just little oases around every staircase. Look at this beautiful, stunning waterfalls. So shocking. So gorgeous. I'm in shock at the beauty. This is so gorgeous. As you can see here, there's like many various hot springs. This is one of the main pools here. So relaxing. Pretty warm. I'd say it's about like 80 degrees. And you just turn around and there's these other little warm, hot pools. Wow, this one's even warmer. Gonna get in this bad boy. Ooh, oh gosh. Oh my gosh, so nice. Wow. Oh, Esoy Hot Springs. Pretty healing. No monkeys yet, but I have faith. Apparently they have been here already. They were looking for me, I heard. So we'll see. So incredibly relaxing here and peaceful. It's like probably about 86 degrees, I'd say, warm. It's nice and warm. Amazing natural hot springs here. It's like my ultimate fantasy. Hot springs in the jungle. Now I'm just waiting for the monkeys. Praying they come. So I got these really cool Japanese shorts in Manila, actually, and I just met these awesome Japanese guys here from Japan, right?
Japan.
Yes. Can you tell me what my shorts say? I've been wanting to know.
enjoy your pasta.
Yes? What does that mean?
I don't know. Very peace. Very peace. Peaceful. Very peaceful.
Peaceful, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, man. Peace. He's from New York City, all the way to Japan here. Look at these. Awesome guy. Thank you, thank you. So I made it across this incredible bridge. I didn't want to film myself doing it because I might have dropped my phone. But look at how beautiful that is. That's where we started at. The Esoy Hot Springs in Catmon is like really, really magical. I mean, it's a must. Wow. Haven't seen the monkeys and it's getting cloudy. So I'm probably gonna have to come back for another day because I'm not gonna give up till I get to cuddle one of those little creatures. So I'm gonna head back over this bridge. Wish me luck. Oh, it truly is healing here. Wow. Oh, freshwater hot springs. Catmon. I'm like in heaven and blown away. So I just left Esoy Hot Springs now. I'm walking on the highway very, very slowly. I'm really blissed out. That was so relaxing. That nice time I had there in the springs. Oh, I think I just need to sit here and chill and catch my breath. Can't really walk too fast after that. Esoy Hot Springs was really therapeutic and healing. I'm kind of a hot mess now. I'm gonna go lay down over there and have a little nap. Gosh, a little mama and her babies. Oh, so cute. Okay, I know how mamas get around their babies. I'm gonna let you be. Yep, I'll go the other way. You take care. You cluck along now. I'll cluck over this way. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Yep, there you go. Ooh, don't be scratching that way. Bye now. Almost at my little cafe that I had the sandwich at last week. Here we are again at the Filipino Sea. Gorgeous Filipino Sea. Oh, and what's this? A little puppy, a little just stray hanging out on the boardwalk here on the ledge. You're gorgeous. I don't want to touch you. I mean, I would love to, but I think it's probably you wanting to sit there and contemplate. I get it. I like to just sit and think too, and not be bothered and left alone by some stupid tourist. Even though I don't feel like a tourist, I feel at home here in Catmon. Do you remember me?
Yeah.
Yes. Well, I couldn't forget your sandwich, so I thought I'd have it once again before I leave. So I don't know if you remember what I had.
Yes. You got iced coffee, right?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. The BC Cafe here in Catmon is a must. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I love this food.
That just simply take me away, and the feeling that I'm falling further in love makes me shiver, but in a good way. All the times I have sat and stared as she thoughtfully comes through her head, as she verses.
Yep. Cebu bound, baby. I'll miss Catmon. It's amazing. Oh. I don't want to miss this bus. Yo, Cebu? Cebu. Yes, sir. Thank you. Cebu bound. Let's go. Made it on the bus. Back to Cebu. Say goodbye to Catmon, one of the most beautiful little charming towns on earth. See you later, Catmon. Amazing town. I love it here. Thank you.
I see